Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We are still waiting for the games to finish inside, so we're going to unbox another Con LE Batman of Zu-en-arrh.
We had that one.
Let's go! Okay, so we're back and we're going to look at this Batman. You can see left, back, side, the same image. I'm with Conrad, the OG Heroclix player. How many years have you been playing Heroclix?
Since 2004.
2004, so 20 years. Okay, the first set, no? First Heroclix set.
No. The Ultimates. I started the
Ultimates. Okay,
I pulled the Ultimate Tour.
Ultimate Tour.
Yes.
Okay, and I started 2018 with the Harley Quinn Gotham Girl set.
2018?
18 ba yun? 917. Anyway, so we're both old. So we have here the figure and the card. Okay, so you can just pause the video if you want to. I think it's in reverse order. So let's take a look at the figure. Okay, I am not a huge DC fan, so I don't know the story behind this colorful Batman. Do you know the story?
Well, yeah, but it'll take too long.
It's a long story.
Just Google it.
Yeah, so that's Batman LGBT. LGBT ba?
No.
Okay. So Batman literally has a bat. Okay? A bat and a knife. Ooh.
Bat knife?
Oo nga eh. Batman Family, Gotham City, Brute, Detective Warrior keywords, Batman Team Ability, Zu-en-arrh, Willpower, and sideline active trait. When a friendly character named Batman or Bruce Wayne is targeted by an opposing character using mind control, outwit, or perplex. If this character is on the sideline, after resolutions, roll a d6 on a 3 to 6, replace that Batman with this Batman on his red starting line. Okay, 10 attack with close combat expert. Charge flurry, special movement, special damage power, fraying sanity, outwit. Batman of Zu-en-arrh deals penetrating damage to characters that have been targeted by outwit. This turn, Batman number 678 is the significant appearance. So I think it's good for 40 points. Sideline active character.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, if you're playing perhaps the shifting focus Batman from the Masters of Time, and if it took damage, you can shift into this Batman and still begin with the red starting line. Ganun ba? Kahit nasa last click na yung isang replacement?
I guess, yeah.
I guess, no? Oh, so,
seems like it.
Yeah. So, because it indicates at the first click of the starting line, red line. I don't know if that's the case.
Yeah, I hope you're right.
Okay, but anyway, what do you guys think of this particular figure? Share your thoughts on the comment. And bye-bye!